Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Race and I'm gonna show you how to customize or set up the button shortcuts on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the lower button to open the control panel. Then scroll through this panel, find the option called Customize and tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the options called Top Shortcut and Bottom Shortcut. First, let's tap on Top Shortcut. And here we can assign the function. We have the list of them. For example, let's say I want Do Not Disturb mode. Okay. Next, we have the Bottom Shortcut. So let's assign something else to it. For example, let's say notifications. So let's select them. Okay. So now, when we're on the watch face, we can press and hold the upper button to open the, or rather enable the Do Not Disturb mode, or disable it, like that. And we can also open the notifications, or turn them off. Oh no, yes, we can also, basically we can open or close the notifications by pressing and holding the lower button, and you can use the functions, different functions that were there on the list. And that's how you customize or set up the button shortcuts on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.